Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 69, 70, 71. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Now I know. Page number 69, 70, 71. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 69. 69. Tesco Superstore. Spotlight on the UK. Exercise number 1. What can you buy at a Tesco supermarket? Read and answer. Что ты можешь купить в супермаркете Tesco? Прочитайте и ответьте. Tesco supermarkets are popular in the UK. Tesco superstores sell everything for your house and family. Clothes, food, furniture, electrical items, sportswear, toys, and games. The answer: clothes, food, furniture, electrical items, sportswear, toys, and games. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and put the following into the correct category: jacket, bed, lamp, cheese, skirt, ball, armchair, t-shirt, ice cream, TV, sports shoes, kite. Прочитайте и поставьте следующие предметы в правильную категорию. The answer: clothes, skirt, jacket, food, cheese, ice cream, electrical items, lamp, TV, sportswear, t-shirt, sports shoes, toys, ball, kite, furniture, bed, armchair. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Can you add any other items to the list? Можете что-нибудь добавить к этому списку? Clothes, jeans, shirt. Food, vegetables, meat. Electrical items, radio. Sportswear, shorts, socks. Toys, doll, train. Furniture, chair, table. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 70. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look and match. Теперь я знаю. Словарик. Посмотрите и отметьте. Doll, armchair, tea set, musical box, elephant, airplane, computer, rocking horse, TV, desk. We do exercise number 2, grammar. Look, read and complete. This, that, these or those. Посмотрите, прочитайте и вставьте. This, that, these or those. The answer. That is my lamp. These are my dolls. Those are my chairs. This is my radio. These are my balls. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3, page number 71. Read and complete a or an. Прочитайте и вставьте артикль или an. The answer. An elephant, a bed, an armchair, an orange, a lamp. My dear friends, do exercise number 4, communication. Read and choose. Прочитай и выбери. What's these? It's a pencil. These are pencils. Whose is this doll? It's Marina. It's Marina's. What are these? A pen. Pens. Whose is this? Albert's. My dear friends, do exercise number 5, reading and writing. Look, read and complete. Чтение и письмо. Посмотрите, прочитайте и запомните. This is my room. Look at my brown rocking horse. It's very nice. Can you see my tea set? It's yellow. My chairs are blue. And look at my funny radio. It looks like a pink mouse. The answer: brown, yellow, blue, pink. The task now I can. Talk about my toys. Name the things in my room. Write about my room. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed.